Hello. First of all, sorry for my English. I'm actually a Greek guy. I don't know very much of English, and I decided to make a video for picking locks. I have here a pick like a pen. Actually, is the DYNO quick pick. It's very useful tool. It's like a pen, as you can see, with the pin over here, and actually the pin is the tension wrench. You screw over here. This pick you can get it I think $30 or less from the picktools.com. It's a spring-loaded pick. See, it's very useful tool. You can use it to unlock house locks or even some cars, like Honda, Toyota, something like that. All models, not very much. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock this household. This house lock, as you can see, is locked. Right here, lock. Now you see, it's my lock. You take your tension wrench, get it on your lock. You add a pressure like a finger, not too much pressure on your tension wrench, because the pins over here is not going to be lined up to unlock the house lock. Now the hump on the pick you see over here, it's going to, you must face it from the to the pins. Now you put little pressure, as you can see. You put it there. You move it back, forward, in and out. And if you want to see if you're going to do it right, you let loose your tension wrench. You hear the pick that's clicking. I actually have to unlock. Oh, there it is. There we have. See? It's unlocked. Do it again. Okay. See? Locked. Little pressure, back, forward, in and out. You can see I was lucky in the first time. It's actually not very difficult to open. See, it's open. Second time, you can do it on yourself. It's very easy. This tool is pretty tool, like a pen, as I say. I get it like $30 with shipping from US. Actually, I like very much this tool. I can start my own car with it. I have a Mitsubishi Pajero, and it's a very good tool. Okay, thank you for watching.